Minasan, konbanwa. In this episode of Taste and See, we will do a brief walkthrough of the famous Takeshita Street in the Harajuku area of Tokyo, known for being the vibrant heart of Japanese culture, eclectic fashion, and colorful street food. We will then make our way to what's described as the world's busiest pedestrian street crossing in the heart of Shibuya. それでは行きましょう. So let's go down the street, Takeshita Street, and yes, let's check out this Harajuku area by going down Takeshita Street. Let's go. And you'll see a lot of people with interesting outfits. And here in Japan, that's totally okay. Very creative. And I just saw some churros. Wow, ice cream and churros. Kind of looks like that. Wow. Oh, she was eating while walking. That's typically not something that people do here in Japan. Well, I see some people doing it, but oh well. Let's check out this place. The mipig and cafe. Mipig. I think it's pronounced mipig or micro pig house. Oh wow.
Why did they use Luca? No, it seems like a pixelated game, not Minecraft itself.
Just little tiny pigs.
Mario. Donkey Kong. There's Mario.
Just a second.
You're not in the dog beat.
Oh my gosh.
Donkey.
There are actual pigs. That's actually pretty cute. Okay, that is so unique. I've never seen anything like that at My Pig and Cafe. Micro Pig House. Oh, there's another My Pig and Cafe here. Is this? Oh, is this the? Oh. Oh, here's. I don't know if it's the same company, but it's the same name. There's Candy A Go Go right next to the My Pig. And there's Kinji Used Clothing. Oh my gosh, look at that. Samoedo Cafe Moffu. It's actual dogs. Oh my goodness. It's actual dogs. Yeah, you can see them inside. Oh wow, look at them. Let's take a peek. Can you see them? Yeah, that is so cool. Takeshita Street here in Harajuku. Pretty neat and fun place to go. And don't forget to wiggle, wiggle. Happiness happening. The Wiggle Zip. What in the world is a Wiggle Wiggle store? Flagship store. It looks like this is the end of Takeshita Street. And so now let's head on over to Shibuya. Okay, I just had to look at this pet cafe. Okay, we're getting close to Shibuya Crossing, but one thing that I see that I haven't seen in ages is right there, right across the street, Tower Records. Wow. I mean, I haven't seen a Tower Records in a long time, and we had one back in Seattle, but it's been closed for ages, for many years. But Tower Records seems to be alive and well here in Japan. And Tower Records was actually opened, I believe, in 1960 in Sacramento, California. And there were a lot of locations around the US, but unfortunately, many of them, if not, I think most of them have closed. There might still be some few remaining, that I'm not sure, but I know this one here in Japan is huge and it's open and there's a lot of people going in. So congrats to Tower Records for hanging in there and staying open even here in Japan. Okay, we're now approaching the famous Shibuya Crossing, also known as Shibuya Scramble Crossing, but I just call it Shibuya Crossing. And this is a place that you see on TV, on shows. Oh, look at this car, wow. Very nice. Oh, left side on the drivers. But anywho, I got distracted there for a moment. We have now made it to the infamous Shibuya Crossing. And we're gonna take a moment to actually pause and enjoy seeing people cross. And let's just find a spot where we can just settle in. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna snag this spot right here next to the post, so no one is behind me. I'm not blocking any other place. But yes, let's just wait for a moment. Let's just watch people cross, and then we will cross ourselves. So basically you can cross from, even though there are pedestrian lines on the ground, people don't actually follow it. You could just cross in many different directions. But right now the cars have the right of way, and in a moment you will see people just scramble across the street from all directions.
Get ready.
Okay, countdown. Okay, I don't know how long it usually takes, but I think it's gonna start here in a moment. Feels like New York's Times Square. Okay, here we go. It's so funny. I'm not the only one who is videoing this crossing. I mean, when you're in Japan and you're a tourist, it's okay. It's okay to do it. I see people in selfie sticks, and that guy is getting his picture taken right smack in the middle. That's hilarious. Okay. 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 No more crossing. Now people can't go. Yeah, someone just got honked on because they were still crossing and it was already a red for the pedestrians. So even if Shibuya Crossing is kind of like a free-for-all, you still have to follow the rules in that you can't cross or you need to be finished crossing before it turns red. Oh, there's some Mario Kart, folks. Oh, wow, okay. So now we're gonna try and cross Shibuya Crossing together, and you'll see kind of like the mayhem. And then afterwards, we're gonna try and find a place where we can have more of a bird's eye view. Maybe up there at Cafe Restaurant Gusto. Yeah, up there. Okay, we're crossing. Okay, I don't feel too bad because I'm not the only one videotaping themselves crossing the street. Sorry, just photobombed them. That was fun. Here's another view from across the street. And there's the famous Starbucks right there. Maybe we'll snag a view from up there. But we're gonna cross it one more time, and this time it's gonna be the camera's point of view and not a selfie view. So you could see all of the mayhem and people getting their pictures taken right smack in the middle of the street. So get ready, we're gonna cross this together. Okay, here we go. Get your picture taken there. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Complete chaos on the left and on the right. But you better be done crossing when it flashes green, otherwise you are gonna, oh, there it is. These people better finish. Okay, people, it's red. It's red. Hey, we made it. Okay, now let's try and see if we can find a spot where we can see it from up above. Okay, let's see if we can make our way up to the Starbucks. If I can find the entrance for it. Oh, okay, I think we found it. We're just gonna go up. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, go up. Yay, we made it to the Starbucks. Okay, we're just gonna get a quick shot of the people crossing from up above, so let's see if we can snag that footage. Okay, we made it to the Starbucks, and if you want to get a view from up here, you actually have to purchase something. And so I purchased something in order to get the bird's eye view. Wow. So I'll just wait until an opening is available here at the window, and then we will take a look.
Además que lo sacan, que es chulísimo. Donde está lo del Prime Video ahí arriba, que había una cosa con agua que estaba chulísima. Una noche con agua.
I hope you enjoyed crossing Shibuya Crossing with me here in Japan. And thank you so much for joining me in this awesome adventure here in Japan during the past week. I'm so glad to be able to take this adventure with all of you, and I'm looking forward to the next one up ahead. So in the meantime, this is Taste and See with Ken Sabalza, and I'm looking forward to sharing the next adventure with all of you. So for now, take care and happy travels. Sayonara.